Alright, so it's not super crazy, but I have a history test tomorrow. And so I was sitting at my desk, going over my notes, studying, doing the responsible college student thing to get prepared for test. And I'm just sitting here, and I've got like my earbuds in, listening to stuff, and I hear like random beeping going on, and I'm like, okay, this is weird. There's no way this is like part of the music or whatever. So I like take them out, and I'm like, okay, what is happening? And then it's like, rah, 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 And I'm like, oh boy, alright, what do we have going on? And there's like this little intercom thing, and it's saying whatever, and I'm like, alright. There's clearly like a fire alarm going on, so I just slowly grab my phone so I can get back in the building. And I just walk out, and I'm like, whatever. So then we got to stand in the parking lot for 20 minutes before finally coming back in. I think maybe it was someone like burnt something. So I don't know how, a college student is unable to use a microwave or oven or something, a basic common household appliance, but whatever. So, anyways, instead of studying for 20 minutes or sleeping, I got to stand outside, so it wasn't really cold or anything, so it doesn't matter that much, but whatever. Come on, man. Be better than that. Like, come on. How do you be 18 or 19 and can't use a microwave properly? I don't know. Whatever. Anyways, not that big of a deal, but it was kind of a random Nathan Hollenbeck experience. So, there you have it. Schurz is an interesting place to live in. So,